Andito kami ngayon sa Fairmont Banff Spring Hotel. Tinatawag ito na Castle in the Rockies. National Historic Site of Canada located in the heart of Banff National Park. Opened in 1888 by the Canadian Pacific Railway. And andito kami sa second floor ng Fairmont Hotel para makita ang napakagandang view. Oras na para sa picture-picturan.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of mess, we're on an all-time high. Oh, 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 oh. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have been so
Hanggang dito muna. Hanggang sa muli.